Hi viewers, I will teach you today the new chapter and one of the easiest and interesting chapter of mathematics is matrices. So what is matrices? Matrices is the plural of matrix. Matrix is the singular and matrices is the plural. Actually a interesting chapter है मैथमेटिक्स का. ये जो matrices है, matrices क्या है कि plural of matrix. So what actually matrix is? So matrix is nothing but the arrangement of numbers. Matrix is the rectangular arrangement of numbers. What type of numbers? Of any system of numbers. The numbers may be natural number, may be integer, may be real numbers, may be rational, or whatever it may be. The numbers may be of any system of numbers. So matrix is simply the arrangement of numbers of any system, and the arrangement may be of functions. That means matrix is the arrangement of numbers or functions when numbers or functions are arranged in a rectangular way in some horizontal lines or in some vertical lines, then this will form a matrix. Actually matrix क्या है कि rectangular arrangement है किसका, कुछ numbers का, any system of numbers, real numbers, complex number, rational, irrational, integer, कुछ भी हो, any system of numbers का rectangular arrangement. And it is also rectangular arrangement of functions. कुछ functions और कुछ numbers को कुछ horizontal lines और कुछ vertical lines में अगर arrange कर देंगे, ये जो arrangement आएगा that arrangement is known as matrix. और matrix का plural क्या है? Matrices. I will give you interesting example to you. Suppose you have two friends in your class, and you and your two friends, you three appear the class test. And after the result, after publication of result, तुम तीनों क्लास टेस्ट अपियर किए, यू थ्री अपियर योर क्लास टेस्ट, और जब क्लास टेस्ट अपियर किए तो रिजल्ट तो निकलेगा, और रिजल्ट निकलने के बाद तुम तीनों का रैंक, आई वांट टू से द रैंक्स ऑफ यू थ्री आफ्टर द पब्लिकेशन फॉर रिजल्ट. जब रिजल्ट पब्लिश हुआ तुम तीनों का रैंक, अच्छा तुम तीनों कौन हो मुझे पता नहीं. सपोज यू थ्री आर एक्स वाई जेड. सपोज यू थ्री आर these three friends XYZ, and I want to say the rank of these three friends. I want to say you, मैं तुमको बताना चाहता हूँ कि तुम जो थ्री फ्रेंड्स एग्जाम अपियर किए थे, एग्जाम का रिजल्ट पब्लिश होने के बाद रैंक किसका क्या रहा. सपोज X का रैंक 1 है, नंबर 1. सपोज Y का रैंक 4 है, and the rank of Z is 3, and the ranks are 1, 4, 3. So now this number 1, 4, 3 represents the rank of three friends XYZ, and I want to arrange this number 1, 4, 3. You know what is 1, 4, 3? You know, तुम्हें पता है क्या है rank of these three friends, and the rank of these three friends is 1, 4, 3. And now these three numbers are arranged 1, 4, 3 in a horizontal line. I want to say you the arrangement of numbers. So these three numbers are arranged. Now this arrangement is a matrix, because matrix is nothing but the arrangement of numbers. Simply if you arrange the numbers, you will get the arrangement of numbers. That arrangement of numbers is known as matrix. So this is arrangement of numbers, but this is not a matrix. How? मैं तो अभी बोला था कि अरेंज कर दो मैट्रिक्स मिलेगा. मैट्रिक्स क्या है? अरेंजमेंट ऑफ नंबर्स. जब नंबर्स को अरेंज कर दोगे तो मैट्रिक्स मिल जाएगा, लेकिन अब तो अरेंज कर दिया मैट्रिक्स नहीं हुआ. क्यों नहीं हुआ? बिकॉज ओनली द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ नंबर्स इज नॉट मैट्रिक्स. मैट्रिक्स इज द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ नंबर्स बट एनक्लोज्ड विद इन पैरेंथेसिस और स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. अरेंजमेंट मैट्रिक्स को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. The matrix is represented or the matrix is enclosed within a parenthesis or a square bracket. जब अरेंजमेंट को एक पैरेंथेसिस, मून ब्रैकेट और स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट के अंदर रख देंगे तो जाके ये जो अरेंजमेंट मैट्रिक्स हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज नॉट ए मैट्रिक्स, दिस अरेंजमेंट इज नॉट मैट्रिक्स. नाउ द मैट्रिक्स इज दिस 1, 4, 3 is arrangement and enclosed within parenthesis or moon bracket. This is a matrix. So matrix is arrangement of numbers or functions but enclosed within parenthesis or square bracket. So let us take some other examples. Now look at here. here are 6 numbers 1.5, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9. These 6 numbers are arranged in 3 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines. And this is arrangement of 6 numbers. ये 6 numbers का arrangement है. But if I omit this symbol, this is arrangement, but this is not matrix. ये arrangement है, matrix नहीं है. Matrix is arrangement enclosed within bracket. Now this when enclosed within bracket forms a matrix. So look at here, this is natural number, but this is not natural number. So arrangement of numbers means of any system of numbers. Look at here, 2, 7.5, 3 plus 2i. This is complex number. This is real number, and this is a fraction. So these are the different system of numbers, but overall this is arrangement of numbers. Now here 1 plus x square x, here are 6 functions arranged in 2 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines. So this is arrangement of functions. So matrix is arrangement of numbers or functions. The rectangular arrangement means arranged in some horizontal lines and some vertical lines. So this is matrix. Now the elements of a matrix. Look at here, in this matrix this is the arrangement of 6 numbers, and these numbers form a matrix. Here there are 6 functions, and these 6 functions when arranged gives us a matrix. The numbers or the functions which form a matrix are known as the elements of that matrix. So elements means the numbers जो matrix form करते हैं. Look at here, 1.5, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9. ये जो 6 numbers है, ये तो मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म की है. सो दीज आर द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स. एलिमेंट्स मीन्स द नंबर्स आर द फंक्शंस व्हिच फॉर्म ए मैट्रिक्स. दीज आर एलिमेंट्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. नाउ हियर आर 6 एलिमेंट्स, हियर 6 एलिमेंट्स, हियर इज आल्सो 6 एलिमेंट्स, and in the xyz 1 4 3 there are 3 elements. So the numbers which form a matrix, the numbers which are arranged to form a matrix is known as the element of a matrix. Elements or entries, the plural of entry. Now is row. Row means the horizontal arrangement of elements is known as row, and the column is the vertical arrangement of elements. Now this is a matrix. Generally a matrix is represented by parenthesis or square bracket. So this is the arrangement of numbers, and this is a matrix. But look at here, these numbers 2, 3, 4, 5 are arranged horizontally. This is also horizontal arrangement. So row means the elements arranged in horizontally. The horizontal arrangement of elements. Now look at here, these elements are arranged horizontally. So this is a row. So this is a first row. This is also horizontal arrangement of elements. This is second row, and this is third row. So row means the horizontal arrangements of elements. जो elements horizontal arrange होते हैं वो form करते a row. And column means the vertical arrangements. So these elements 2, 6, 1. This is the arrangement vertically. This is the vertical arrangement. So this is one column, first column. This is second column. This is third column, and this is fourth column. So row means the horizontal arrangement. Column means the vertical arrangement. In my words, row is the eye. Column is the nose. Row is the eye. Column is the nose. 3 rows and 4 columns in this matrix. ये matrix में 3 rows. Look at here. These are 3 rows and 4 columns. Now is order of a matrix is the very important is the order. What is the order of a matrix? Order of a matrix. Suppose the number of rows is m. Suppose there are m rows in a matrix and number of columns is n. Suppose m is the number of rows and n is the number of columns. Then the order of the matrix is m into n. Order of matrix is m into n, m cross n, and this is also read as m by n. A matrix का order क्या है? m into n, और हम ऐसे ही पढ़ते हैं m by n भी पढ़ते हैं. तो m into n consists of 2 numbers. The first number represents the number of rows and the second represents the number of columns. पहला वाला number of rows और second वाला number of columns. तो look at here. This is a matrix. In this matrix, there are 3 rows. There are 3 rows. Means m is equal to 3 and number of columns is 4. n is equal to 4. So order of this matrix is 3 into 4 but not 12. Why not 12? 3 into 4 is 12, but I am saying 3 into 4 is not 12 because 3 into 4 means row into column. The first number represents row, the second number represents column. If I write it as 12, अगर हम इसे 12 लिख देंगे तो 12 लिखने के बाद हम इसको 6 into 2 भी समझ सकते हैं. We can consider it as 6 into this is row, this is column, but practical not that. वो नहीं है. So you have to write it as m into n, not mn. So m is the number of rows, n is the number of columns. So order means row into column. So generally the order is written on the right hand bottom side of a matrix. एक मैट्रिक्स का राइट हैंड बॉटम, तो देखो दिस इज द राइट हैंड साइड एंड दिस द बॉटम, राइट हैंड बॉटम. हियर जनरल द ऑर्डर इज रिटन इन द राइट हैंड बॉटम साइड. नाउ ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स, ये मैट्रिक्स ऑर्डर कितना निकला 3 into 4. सो द ऑर्डर ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स इज 3 into 4. Generally the matrix is written here, the order of the matrix is written on the right hand bottom side. So this is all about the order of matrix. If m is equal to n, that means number of rows and number of columns are equal, then we can say that the matrix is of order not m cross n but m is equal to n. That means the matrix is of order n cross n. If m is equal to n, the matrix is of order n cross n or simply of order n. Suppose you have a matrix of a row, 3 rows and 3 columns. 3 rows and 3 columns. Suppose you have matrix like this: 3, 2, 5, 6, 8, 1, 1, 7, 8. Now there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So this matrix is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. That means this is a matrix of order 3 or third order matrix. Now is the number of elements. So suppose the number of rows in a matrix is m and the number of columns is n. Suppose the matrix has m rows and n columns, then the number of elements is n into n. Row into column represents the order, and if you multiply these two, then this will be the number of elements. Look at here, this is a matrix 1 2 3 6 2 0 5 8. Here are 2 rows, the number of rows is 2. 4 columns, 4 columns, so the order is 2 into 4. So the number of elements is 2 into 4 is 8. So if you want to find the number of elements of matrix, simply multiply the number of rows and number of columns. Very important thing, very important question is also for every type of competitive exam. Number of elements of a matrix of order p. You have a matrix of order p. So you have a matrix of order p. तुम्हारे पास एक मैट्रिक्स है जिसका ऑर्डर है p. सो मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर p मींस नंबर ऑफ रोज p, नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स p, नंबर ऑफ रोज p, नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स p. सो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इज p into p and is p square. So if the order of a matrix is p, that means it has p number of rows, p number of columns, and the number of elements is p into p is equal to p square number of elements. Suppose you have a matrix of third order. A matrix of third order means there are 3 rows, 3 columns. So the number of elements is 3 square means 9. Now is the notation of an element. How can we represent an element generally? The general representation of an element. Look at here. The every element of a matrix are represented by aij. What does this aij represent? aij क्या है? The aij क्या है कि एक एलिमेंट है. एक मैट्रिक्स का हर एलिमेंट, एवरी एलिमेंट का हम लिख सकते हैं एज ए आई जे. हर एलिमेंट को हम ए आई जे की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. हाउ, व्हाट इज ए आई जे? ए आई जे इज द एलिमेंट इन ith row and jth column. In the intersection of ith row and jth column, the element is aij. So aij is the element in ith row and jth column. That means look at here how these elements are represented in aij form. So this is element in first row and first column. Look at here, aij, I for row, j for column, the first number for row and second number for column. These two can be written in form of aij. How? This is an element in first row and first column. So here number of row is 1 and column is 1. That means this is a1, 1. First is row, second is column. first row first column. This is the element in first row first column. So this is the element in first row first column. This 3, what is this 3? This 3 is present in first row second column. So this is the element A12, means the element in first row second column. Similarly, this is in first row third column. This is in second row first column, means A21. This is second row second column, A22, and this is in second row third column, means A23. So A23 means the element in second row and third column. देखो ये सेकेंड रो में है और थर्ड कॉलम में है. सो A23 मीन्स एलिमेंट इन सेकेंड रो थर्ड कॉलम. सो Aij मीन्स एलिमेंट इन ith row and jth column. This I is the number of row and j is the number of a column. And every element of a matrix can be expressed in form of Aij. Using this Aij, you can write the general representation of matrix. Very important is the general representation of matrix. How can we generally represent a matrix with the help of Aij? Look at here, A is a matrix. Generally, the name of a matrix is given by English capital letters and the elements by small letters. हम क्या करते हैं कि जो मैट्रिक्स है, मैट्रिक्स का एलिमेंट्स, मैट्रिक्स का नेम को हम कैपिटल लेटर्स के साथ यूज करते हैं. सो हियर द मैट्रिक्स इज ए, द नेम ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स इज ए and the elements are, this is the place in first row and first column. That's why I write this element A11. ये एलिमेंट फर्स्ट रो का फर्स्ट कॉलम में है तो हम इसको लिखे A11. एंड सिमिलर ये भी फर्स्ट रो का सेकंड कॉलम A12. तो दिस इज A11, दिस इज A12 मीन्स फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम A13, देन इज A14. लाइक look at here, this is first row, this is first row. I have already said the first number for row, second for column. Look at here, this element represents row and all these elements are in first row. ये सब एलिमेंट फर्स्ट रो में है तो सबका रो नंबर सेम है 1 1 1 1. So when you move in a row, then the row number must be equal. The row number must be same, but the number of column is, here is 1, here is 2, here is 3. So this is A11, A12, A13. Suppose this matrix has n columns. N columns. This is first column, second column, third column, fourth. Then it last one is the nth column, A1n. This is the element in first row and nth column. Now the second row first column A21, second row second column A22, A23, and the A2n second row nth column. So if we move in a column, अगर एक कलम में हम जाएंगे तो देखो second number represents column. Now here is column 1, column 1, column 1. Now row differs. Suppose this matrix has m rows. This is first row, this is second row, this is mth row, this is am1. That means this is the element in mth row and first column. m2, mth row, second column, m3, and this is mn, element in nth row and nth column. So look at here, all the elements are expressed in form of Aij. So here the number of rows is m and the number of column is n. So the order is m into n and the number of elements is m into n. So all these elements are expressed in form of Aij, and the shorthand representation of this matrix is A is a matrix having elements Aij of order m cross n. This matrix can be written as this form. A is a matrix whose elements are Aij of order m cross n, and this I is for row. I is 1, 2 up to m. Now look at here, I is row 1, 2 up to m, and J is for column. This J is 1, 2 up to n. Look at here, the column is 1, 2, 3 up to n. So this is the general representation of a matrix. Every element of a matrix can be expressed in form of Aij. One important question is find the number of matrices of order 2. We have to find the number of different matrices of order 2. Of order 2 means 2 cross 2. Number of rows is 2, number of columns is 2. Using 4 different elements. we have to use 4 different elements and to form the different matrices. So what will be the number of different matrices? 4 elements को use करके different matrices, how many different matrices can we find? हमको कितना different matrices मिलेगा using 4 different elements? So this is very tricky question, very important question also for different competitive and as well as your annual exam 2021. So look at here. So there are 4 different elements, but we have to form a matrix of order 2. Matrix of order 2 means it has 2 rows and 2 columns. That means we have a matrix of order 2 means 2 rows, 2 columns. So we have 4 places. We have 4 places to fill. In this matrix there are 4 places. A matrix में 4 places. If you have 4 elements, now this first place can be filled up in 4 different ways. You have 4 elements and you can substitute here in 4 ways. तो तुम्हारे पास 4 elements है, तो ये जो first place 4 ways में fill up हो सकता है. And as you have to use all the 4 elements, you have to practically substitute only one element here. Now after putting one element in this place, you have 3 elements left with you for this place. ये प्लेस में 4 एलिमेंट्स, दिस प्लेस कैन बी फिल्ड अप इन 4 डिफरेंट वेज. ये प्लेस 4 वेज में फिल अप हो सकता है, लेकिन एक्चुअली कितना एलिमेंट्स एक साइमल्टेनियस तो 4 एलिमेंट्स नहीं पुट कर सकते. एक ही एलिमेंट इधर पुट होगा, तो इधर जब छोड़ के सेकेंड प्लेस को आएंगे तो तुम्हारे पास 3 एलिमेंट्स रहेगा. यू हैव 3 एलिमेंट्स एंड हियर 2 बिकॉज 2 एलिमेंट्स आर ऑलरेडी in the 2 places, and here is 2 and here is 1. Now by counting principle, multiplication principle, you have 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 24. So you will find 24 different matrices using 4 elements of order 2. So you will get 24 number of matrices of order 2 using 4 different elements is one of the very important question. Another important question, so you have to form a matrix of order 2 cross 3. That means number of rows is 2, number of columns is 3. We have to form a matrix of order 2 cross 3. हमको एक मैट्रिक्स करना है जिसका ऑर्डर है 2 cross 3, 2 rows 3 columns, and where aij means every element of that matrix. वो मैट्रिक्स का हर एलिमेंट आर इन फॉर्म ऑफ i plus j or 2i plus 3j. So there are 2 questions here. 2 different questions. The first question is we have to form a matrix of order 3. Order 3 means there are 2 rows and 3 columns. If the matrix has 2 rows and 3 columns, then the aij notation is the first element is a11, a12, a13 and a21, a22, a23. So this is the aij notation. But the question is aij is I plus j. If aij is I plus j, तो a11 is 1 plus 1, that means 2. a12, aij is I plus j, a12 is 1 plus 2, 3. a13 is 1 plus 3, 4. a21 is 2 plus 1, a22 is 2 plus 2, a23 is 2 plus 3. So this is a matrix of order 2 cross 3 where the element aij is I plus j. And the next question is to form same a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a 2 cross 3 matrix, but aij is 2i plus 3j. If aij is 2 into i plus 3 into j, then a11 is you have to multiply 2 with i, 3 with j, 2 with first, 3 with column. 2 with first, 3 with second, 2 1 ja 2, 3 1 ja 3, so 2 plus 3 is 5, 2 1 ja 2, 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 2 1 ja 2, 3 3 ja 9 is 11, and here is 2 2 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3, 4 plus 3 is 7, and 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6 is 10, 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9 is 13. So this is the 2 cross 3 matrix where aij is I 2i plus 3j. There are different types of questions. aij is I plus j, aij is I minus j is another question, aij is I into j is another question, aij is I by j is another question. So you can arrange ij in different ways to find different questions. Next is different types of matrices. So different types of matrices. The first is the row matrix. Now we'll discuss about different types of matrices. Different types of matrices क्या है? फर्स्ट है रो मैट्रिक्स. रो मैट्रिक्स मीन्स ए मैट्रिक्स हैविंग ओनली वन रो. एक ऐसा मैट्रिक्स है जो मैट्रिक्स में एक ही रो होता है. तो ए is a matrix Aij, the element is Aij and the order is 1 into n. Row is 1, the column may be many. Similarly, the column matrix, a matrix having only one column. Here A is a matrix Aij, n plus 1 means the number of column is 1, the number of rows may be many. So row matrix means एक ही row होगा, different column होगा. Column matrix means एक ही column होगा. So row matrix means it has only one row but maybe many columns. Column matrix means it has only one column. Now the example is, look at here. The very first example, I have already said the ranks of three friends x, y, z was 1, 4, 3. There 1, 4, 3 is arranged in a row. Only one row was there. So that was a row matrix. So row matrix means only one row. Look at here. 2, 5, 0, 9. I write a matrix here, one row but 4 columns. So this is a matrix of order 1 cross 4. This matrix has only one row, एक ही row है. So this is known as a row matrix. And the column matrix is with only one column. Now 5, 6, 9, 3. Look at here. There are 4 rows but one column. So this is a matrix of order 4 cross 1. As this matrix has only one column, ये matrix का एक ही column है and is known as column matrix. Now is another matrix, null matrix or zero matrix. Null matrix or zero matrix is such a matrix where all the elements are zero. A matrix in which all the elements are zero is known as a zero matrix or null matrix. ये एक ऐसा matrix है जो जिस matrix में हर element zero है, नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट कोई भी नहीं रहेगा. एंड इसका ऑर्डर क्या है? कुछ भी हो सकता है. द ऑर्डर इज आर्बिटरी. द number of rows and columns is not fixed, but only thing fixed is all elements are zero and it is denoted by bold zero. Bold zero. So this is a matrix, only one element, zero. That means every element is zero. All elements in the matrix is zero. Is a zero matrix or null matrix, and the order is 1 plus 1. This is a matrix where all elements are zero. Is null matrix. Her element zero है. So this is null matrix, and the order is 2 cross 3. 2 rows, 3 columns. This is a matrix where all elements are zero. Is a null matrix, and the order is 3 cross 3. So null matrix means the matrix in which all elements are zero, and the order is of any order. Next is square matrix. A square matrix having same number of rows and columns. एक ऐसा matrix है जो matrix में rows और columns appears in same number. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. अगर number of rows 3 है तो number of columns भी 3 है. Number of rows and columns are equal. So A is a matrix Aij of order n cross n. Number of rows and number of columns are equal. So let us take an example. B is a matrix here, 5 minus 7 0 8. 2 rows 2 columns. So number of rows is 2, number of columns is 2. So this is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2 means of order 2, second order square matrix. Here A is a matrix 3 rows 3 columns. So this is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. Order 3 cross 3 means third order matrix or matrix of order 3. So look at here, this is a third order square matrix of order 3. Now look at these elements very carefully. So these are the 3 elements in which I is equal to j. Every element is in form of ij, aij. Every element can be written in form of aij, and here aij, aij, aij. But I is equal to j, I is equal to j, I is equal to j. But except these elements, ये element को छोड़ देंगे तो here I not equal j, I not equal j, I not equal j. So these three elements, I is equal to j, and the elements where I is equal to j, they exist in diagonal. These are the diagonal elements. So the diagonal elements are a11, a22, a33. So these are the diagonal elements, and except this, ये सबको छोड़ के जो elements रहेंगे, these are non diagonal elements. The elements except diagonal elements are known as non-diagonal elements. In diagonal elements, I is equal to j. In non-diagonal elements, I not equal to j. And this is known as a principal diagonal or main diagonal or leading diagonal. And these are the leading elements. And this particularly happens in a square matrix. In a square matrix, this is main diagonal or leading diagonal or principal diagonal. And these elements are having I is equal to j. So a square matrix means a matrix having same number of rows and columns. Next is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means a square matrix in which the diagonal elements are 0 but the rest elements are the. Next is the diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is a square matrix in which the diagonal elements are not 0 but the rest elements are 0. So for diagonal elements, for the diagonal matrix होने के लिए वो पहले स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स होना जरूरी है. अगर स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स नहीं होगा तो डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स नहीं हो सकता. So diagonal matrix is a matrix where the diagonal elements, the diagonal matrix is a square matrix. This is a square matrix and this can be a diagonal matrix. How? A square matrix. This is a square matrix in which the diagonal elements are not 0. Look at here. This is a square matrix, but the diagonal elements are not 0, but the rest elements are 0. So एक square matrix ऐसा होना चाहिए in which the diagonal elements are not 0, but the rest elements are 0. So एक square matrix में diagonal elements 0 होंगे. So a square matrix in which diagonal elements are not 0, diagonal elements 0 नहीं है but rest elements 0 होंगे. So this square matrix is known as diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means diagonal elements 0 नहीं होंगे but other elements 0 हो जाएंगे. So in mathematical definition, look at here, these are diagonal elements and in diagonal elements I is equal to j. So the element where I is equal to j, look at here, these elements are with I is equal to j. So here I is equal to j and the elements are not 0. So element aij is not 0 if I is equal to j. But here in these cases I not equal to j, non-diagonal element, I not equal to j means that element is 0. So an element is 0 where I not equal to j. So in diagonal matrix an element is 0 if I not equal to j. Here I not equal to j, so the elements are 0 and the element is not 0 where I is equal to j means diagonal elements are not 0. But diagonal matrix is first a square matrix. Next is a scalar matrix. Scalar matrix means a diagonal matrix. So for scalar matrix it must be a diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are same. Look at here, the diagonal elements in diagonal matrix are non-zero but may be equal, may not be equal. डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स में डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स 0 नहीं होंगे बट इक्वल हो सकते हैं, नहीं भी हो सकते. बट फॉर स्केलर मैट्रिक्स एक डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स होगा और ऑल द डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आर सेम. All the diagonal elements are same. Look at here, this is a square matrix first, there is a diagonal matrix क्योंकि diagonal elements are not 0, other elements are 0. So this is a square matrix, this is also diagonal matrix, but the particular name, exact name is scalar matrix because all the diagonal elements are equal. So this is a scalar matrix. The scalar is here A. This is third order scalar matrix. This is a second order scalar matrix. So scalar matrix means it is a diagonal matrix but the diagonal elements are same. In diagonal matrix the diagonal elements are not 0 but may be equal, may not be equal. If the diagonal elements are equal then the name of that matrix is scalar matrix. अगर diagonal matrix में सब एलिमेंट इक्वल हो जाएंगे diagonal elements तो वो मैट्रिक्स का नाम क्या है? स्केलर मैट्रिक्स. The very important matrix is the unit matrix or the identity matrix. This unit matrix or identity matrix is a square matrix and it is also a diagonal matrix. Now unit matrix or identity matrix is a diagonal matrix. First it is a diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are unity, means 1. In diagonal matrix the diagonal elements are not 0. If all the elements are equal, then it is scalar matrix. All the elements are equal, but this may be one, may not be one. If all the elements in scalar matrix, if all the diagonal elements in scalar matrix are one, then that is unity matrix. So unity matrix means that all the diagonal elements of diagonal matrix is one. So that is unity matrix or identity matrix, and it is denoted by I. So this is I, and this is third order unity matrix or identity matrix. This is second order unity matrix or identity matrix, and particularly the symbol is I3, third order unity matrix, and this is I2, second order unity matrix. और this can be simply written as I. इसको हम I भी लिख सकते हैं, but particularly I3 लिखते हैं. So unity matrix means the diagonal elements are one and the rest elements are 0. But this is square matrix, this is a scalar matrix, this is scalar matrix, and this is also diagonal matrix. But the particular name is unity matrix, and it's very important matrix. Then it's equality of matrices. Two matrices A and B is Aij of order m cross n. B is a matrix of Bij m cross n. Two matrices will be equal. The first condition is if two matrices A and B will be equal, then they are of same order. That means the order of two matrices must be same. A and B have same order. If the order is not same, then the two matrices cannot be equal. So for equality of two matrices equal होंगे when the first condition is they have same order. They are having same order. That means the order of the two matrices must be same. And the second condition is Aij is equal to Bij, means the corresponding elements are equal. Two matrices will be equal if they are of same order and the corresponding elements will be equal. तो टू मैट्रिक्स इक्वल होंगे कब? जब उसका ऑर्डर समान होगा एंड corresponding element भी इक्वल होंगे. How? Look at here. Suppose we have given a matrix x, y, z. Another matrix is 1, 4, 3. Now the order is 1 cross 1 row 3 columns. 1 row 3 columns. Here is 1 row 3 columns. So if these two matrices are equal, then what is the value of x? The order is the same. If two matrices are equal, order is the same, and the corresponding elements must be same. The x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4, and z is equal to 3. So if two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements must be equal. One example is a matrix is 2a plus b, a minus 2b, 5c minus d, 4c plus 3d. Each equal to a matrix 4 minus 3, 11, 24. So these two matrices are equal, and the question is to find the value of a, b, c, d. Look at here. The two matrices equal है, तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? a, b, c, d का वैल्यू निकालना है. So look at here. The order of this matrix is 2 cross 2, and the order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. दोनों matrix का order same है. If the order of two matrices are equal and the two matrices are equal, then the corresponding element must be equal. Now the element 2a plus b is equal to 4, and a minus 2b is equal to minus 3, and 5c minus d is equal to 11. 4c plus 3d is equal to 24. Now you can apply the method of equating coefficients or any other method to find the value of a, b, c, d. Now after solving this, you will get a1, b2, c3 and d4. So there are different varieties of questions based on equality of matrices. So dear students, is the very important and easiest chapter. One important question for you is to find the number of all possible matrices of order 2 cross 3 with each element 0 or 1. You have to use 0 or 1 and to form 2 cross 3 matrix, and to say me what is the total number of possible matrices. If you find, then call this question. If you want to know answer, also call the question and call this question to get the answer. And dear students, thanks, enjoy.